In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display long labels in a bar chart and showcase multiple measures in a matrix using Power BI. Power BI is a powerful tool that helps you visualize your data in creative and insightful ways, and mastering these techniques can greatly improve how your data is presented for analysis. Let's get started by opening Power BI. If you haven't launched it yet, go ahead and do so. Once you have Power BI ready, you'll want to focus on the specific visualization that contains those long labels you're working with. Finding and selecting the correct visualization is crucial, because this is where you will make all the necessary adjustments. Now that you have your bar chart with long labels selected, you'll want to modify the way it's displayed so the labels are easier to read. A common challenge with bar charts in Power BI is managing how these labels appear, particularly when you have extensive text. To address this, you'll need to click and drag either the edges or the corners of the visualization. Expanding the size of the visualization this way can help accommodate the lengthy labels by giving them more space, which in turn makes them more legible. This resizing step is quite important because as you expand the chart, Power BI automatically adjusts how text and graphics are rendered, improving the overall readability. If you've noticed any changes that don't automatically adjust beautifully, remember you can make further tweaks under the formatting pane. Here, options for font size, text wrapping, and label position can be adjusted to ensure everything fits perfectly. Once your bar chart is visually set, the next task is to work with multiple measures in a matrix. Adding multiple measures can enhance the richness of the data you present, providing greater insight and variability in your reports. Navigate to the matrix you wish to customize. When inserting additional measures, go into the Fields pane and carefully drag the measures into the Values area of your matrix. It's beneficial to think ahead about the structure of your data. Decide on the hierarchy that makes the most sense for your audience. Power BI allows you to order measures flexibly, which influences the readability and analytical clarity of your matrix. While doing this, always keep in mind the purpose of your visualization so that you're selecting the most relevant measures for your analysis. That's it. You now have a bar chart that effectively displays long labels and a matrix that incorporates multiple measures. By following these steps, you'll greatly enhance the interpretability and professionalism of your Power BI reports. Ensuring your visualizations are both informative and visually appealing can make a significant difference in how your data insight is received. Practice these techniques, and soon handling complex datasets in Power BI will become second nature to you. Thanks for joining me today, and happy data visualization.